2 weeks ago, when we really moved into high gear in trying to marshal some support for humanitarian aid to the folks in Zaire, I don't think anyone would have dreamt that we'd have over 500,000 people back in Rwanda without having had to deploy anyone or fire a shot. Now the situation is still somewhat confused on the ground. There's been some movement, we're told, even in the last 24 hours, moving towards a crossing area at Goma from that southern part of eastern Zaire. Whether or not we have to do something militarily in the traditional sense of peacekeeping or humanitarian aid support is difficult to tell at this point. There's no question there's a need for humanitarian aid, and I think what we'll have to discuss is how we can assure that that aid is delivered in an environment that's fairly secure.
Ready to go, or
Yes.
have you called them back? And
No, we have deployed the advanced elements of an air bridge, provide the logistics support necessary for flowing humanitarian aid into the region as necessary. And as the need is defined, and as the multinational force ask for that assistance, we are prepared to provide it.
You're preparing your...
I think we have to go on to our meeting now. Thank you very much.
Thank you all very much. Ladies and gentlemen, go on this way.
What I'm going to say is that the United States government hopes that indeed the government of North Korea releases Evan Carl Hunziker. They have no grounds to hold him, and as we've said for some time, Representative Bill Richardson arrived today in Pyongyang, this morning Washington time. He's there to seek the release of Evan Carl Hunziker, and we anticipate that Bill Richardson, we hope with Mr. Hunziker alongside, will return through Japan, through Yokota Air Force Base Tuesday evening local time. But I don't want to talk about, I don't want to jinx this release. I mean, I think it's important that Mr. Richardson be allowed to do his work, and let's all hope that Evan Carl Hunziker comes home